this is what we do in New Hampshire. There's no snow yet. We get 14 inches of snow. This Jeep's never seen the salt, so before we salt the road, we're gonna go on a Jeep tour. No top, we're going topless. We're gonna cruise around the neighborhood. Hop in, let's go. Back out of the driveway here. We got four-wheel drive, we got snow. We got no plow man, let's go. There we go. So this Jeep came up from Virginia. Never tried out the four-wheel drive. It was a little sticky getting in the four-wheel drive, but now we got four-wheel drive. And works pretty good, huh, Bren?
Yeah.
I got my cameraman girl here sitting with me. We got a little bit of Pink Floyd, but you can't really play it because it'll friggin' be a pain with the video on YouTube. So let's just see what we're doing. Some big snowmobile. We're getting sideways. Hey, this is like a street legal ATV, right? I don't think I've ever used the wipers on this thing. We're getting piles of snow on us. We're cruising around the neighborhood. Let's see who we can terrorize. There's gonna be some kids on ATVs coming out later. I'll have to terrorize them. We got the sunshine on the hood, but it's not sunny out, is it? Yeah, it's dang alright. So when you're taking directions up here in New Hampshire, you bang a left, you bang a U, you bang a right. That's how we get around. So what we need to do is gonna take a quick trip around the block. We gotta beat the plowman back before he lays down some salt. Let's go down this street. I used to ride my 450R in the snow through this neighborhood. I think the Jeep's more fun. It's coming down pretty good, huh, Brenna?
Yeah.
It just started snowing like an hour ago, not even. This old Wrangler does pretty good in the snow. I like the tires on this thing. I've never touched snow. I didn't see a local Xfinity guy. He's going to be giving everybody their cable back later. I gotta fix that speaker wire. You hear that speaker wire crackling?
Yeah.
I got a loose speaker wire under the dash. It's driving me crazy. These guys got some Christmas lights out. Got a dinosaur. The lights. Hey, let's go back by our place, and you can see how our house is all lit up. Let's get sideways. It's like a big snowmobile. The wheelbase on these is so short, they get a little squirrely in the snow, so you gotta learn how to feather the clutch, feather the gas, and hang the back end out. Hope you don't go around like a top. This poor thing, this thing's never seen this stuff. Here we go, bro. Alright, let's head back to our home base. Check out our place. You can see all the decorations. We just put up some Christmas stuff. These guys hate my headlights on this thing. They try high beam me. You can probably run right over them. Get high beams all the time. I got truck lights in the front of this in case you guys are wondering. Here's how the highs look. Here's our house. Put all the Christmas lights out. And we got a moose out front that we made a few years ago. You check out the moose. And then the four-wheeler is out front with the plow, so we'll be using that in the morning. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for tuning in. This is how us crazy New Hampshire people do stuff. No top, no doors. Well, I got doors. But no top, just go right out into the snow. And if you got a little Jeep like this, you can beat the salt guy out there. It's everything in the world. Take it easy, guys.